Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we're in Midvale today. I'm going to take you on a tour of this home and show you the layout as well as some of the features of it. Starting off, this home is in an HOA that includes a community pool just around the corner here, and there's lots of extra guest parking as well throughout the community, and you also have a longer driveway in front of the two-car garage where more guests could park. I'll take you on the inside now. The HOA does mow the front yard. The backyard is xeriscaped on this one, so there's nothing that they do there, but they do take care of your front yard. All right, so here in the entryway, we've got a front room right here with a nice bay window. The ceilings are vaulted, so it's nice and spacious. And the sellers have completely moved out, and they professionally cleaned the carpets just yesterday. And so they're in pretty good shape. This is a nice Corian countertop, the seamless sink right here, and the appliances will stay. So there's a fridge that will be included, and it's got under cabinet lighting here. This is the dining room spot, and then pretty good size. We'll go down the hallway where the master bedroom is. So this is the master bedroom, and you can see this is a nice sized room. These are 8-foot tall ceilings, and then you've got access to this master bath, which also serves as the upstairs hall bathroom for guests as well. You have a nice tile, this is real tile here, for the shower surround, and then Corian countertops here. Nice little linen closet. So that loops us back over this way. The washer and dryer will be included as well. They're in good condition. And then this is just a little linen closet. All right, so plenty of space up here. You got a little kitchen pantry that you could use here. And then this goes to the two-car garage. Down here, we've got a small little family room right here, and then another full bathroom with tile shower surround, and lots of storage. So this is just a little storage nook. This would be the second bedroom. And also good size, you could easily put a king bed in here and it'd be comfortable. And then this, in the past, was the third bedroom and can still be. The door's been removed, but it's really set up to be a third bedroom. Has a closet right here as well. So that is this basement layout. And let me show you the appliance, the utilities. So this furnace is a high efficient furnace, and it was installed in 2010. So it's still got a lot of life left, and it's a really high quality furnace. And I don't know when the water heater was installed, but it's been replaced in recent years. Over this way, we've just got a little under the stairs closet there. So I'll take you out to the backyard now. All right, so back here, there is a concrete patio. They brought in some rocks, so it's xeriscaped. It's nice that it's fully fenced. If you did have a pet, they'd have a fully fenced yard that they could hang out in, or you could enjoy the sun by yourself. So nice little backyard, maintenance free. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of this home as well as some of the features of it. If you'd like to come and see it, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.